Hi, welcome to our demo. Now, I'd like to show you how we can add a WordPress login button in base support system. Let's start. See, there is a base support system site. There is some buttons, which are social buttons. Now, I will disable these buttons from admin panel. So I need to go API settings and social login settings. Here I am disabling these buttons. And save it. Now we should see the login form without buttons, social buttons. Oops, I missed GitHub buttons to disable. Okay, now we should see the login form without buttons. I have installed the base support system WordPress plugin into my WordPress site and activate it. Now I have seen a menu. In the plugin menu, I have seen some fields. First field is private key. This key I have to input in both ends. This private key should be same in both ends. The internal authentication valid by this key. I just entered my private key as private key. There is another field named support system redirect link, which I will get from support system admin panel. In support system admin panel, I am going to remote login page and adding a new button. There is a field named I can enter anything, so I am entering login by button, login by WP, and private key which I entered in WordPress plugin, my private key, and button text I am entering login using WP, and button text color I am choosing a color for my button, and button background color I am choosing, I think the text color need to be changed. Okay, I set this and text color should be white. Okay, in the icon button I can choose any image for button icon, like if I choose it and this is not good, okay, delete, and choosing another image. Good. In this login URL I will get this from WordPress plugin, so I'm copying this, copy and paste it here. Validation URL it will also get from WordPress plugin. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, I need to press the save button to save. Save successfully saved, and there is a redirect login URL. I need to copy it and paste it into our support system plugin in WordPress. I don't need this. I'm removing this. Everything seems like okay. We can save it. Okay, saved successfully. Now in admin panel I can close it. See, there is a button. Status is active. Now I should see the button into the login form. Yes, see, there is a button. If we press the button, then it will redirect to the WordPress site and ask the password. After entering password, it will redirect the support system page for login. Oops, it's auto login because I have already logged in into our WordPress site. So log out this and log out this. Now open login form and press the button. See, there is login form of WordPress site. I fill the information and press the button and see it is successfully logged in. Thank you.